In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tabs on Wix. Tabs are a fantastic way to organize your website content, making it easier for your visitors to navigate and find the information they're looking for. Whether you're creating a portfolio, a blog, or an e-commerce site, tabs can help you present your content in a clean and professional way. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add and customize tabs for your Wix website. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to the Wix editor for your specific site. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with the Wix dashboard, which is the hub for managing all your websites. From the dashboard, click on My Sites to access a list of all the websites associated with your account. Browse through your list and select the site you want to edit. Once you've found it, click Edit to open the site's editor. This will take you into the Wix editor, where you can start customizing your site. Take a moment to let everything load properly so you have full access to all the tools. Now, on the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a vertical menu. This is where you can find all the elements and tools you'll need to build and enhance your site. Look for the Add button, which is represented by a plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This button opens up a menu with a wide range of elements that you can add to your page. Scroll through the available elements until you find the box option. Boxes act as containers for your content and will serve as the foundation for your tabs. Click on Box to add it to your site. Once the box is on your page, you'll want to locate the Tabs option within the box elements. Tabs are a subcategory of boxes, so this step ensures you're working with the correct feature. Now click on Tabs to browse through the available templates. Wix offers a variety of tab templates to suit different design styles and purposes. Take your time to explore the options and pick a template that aligns with your site's design and usability needs. Once you've found the perfect one, click on it to add it to your page. Once the tab section appears on your page, it's time to start customizing. Click on the newly added tab section, and you'll notice an option called Manage Tabs. Click on Manage Tabs to open the settings menu. From here, you can add or remove tabs as needed and rename them to match the content you'll be including in each tab. For example, you might rename tabs to categories like About, Services, or Contact, depending on your site's purpose. Next, with the tab section still selected, look for the stretch icon in the Elements menu toolbar. Clicking this icon will give you the option to stretch the tab section to full width. Choose Stretch to full width if you'd like your tabs to span the entire width of the screen. This is a great way to ensure your tabs look professional and are easy to access on different devices. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Click the Save button to ensure all your changes are finalized. This step is crucial to prevent losing any of your progress. Once your tabs are saved and in place, you're all set. You've successfully added and customized tabs on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.